offers design and manufacturing of transformers, inductors, and power supplies. Anything from a small transformer that might go into a headset to a large isolation transformer for medical MRI scanning equipment.
We also offer engineering services as well. If a customer needs help designing a product, then we would help out with some engineering services.
Pretty much anything that needs a transformer, we can support it. With the addition of our facility here in California, we've started working with several military aerospace customers as well.
We are very flexible, and our products can be from 100 pieces, 200 pieces, to even thousands and million pieces.
We are a custom house. Whatever the customer requests, we have very seasoned staff of engineers that can produce just about anything.
Some of the steps that we take to ensure optimal quality is design reviews, standard work instructions, and in-process inspections.
Everything is tested 100%, initial test and final test, plus physical test and inspection. Our focus is always to deliver the highest quality possible.
Our location in Paris, California, that's our head office. We have a great production facility here. We try to focus on customers that want product made in the United States, customers that are looking for 100 pieces or 200 pieces, something that you probably would not send to a full-blown production line in the Philippines.
Triad's factory in the Philippines benefits our customers because our products are very labor intensive and they have a vast labor force there.
The culture in Philippines, the people is very cooperative, very friendly. Every customer that comes to our facility is very impressed.
Triad has a reputation for being around over 80 years. Our engineers have experience from 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 40 years. Some of us more than 40 years. So there's a lot of talent, a lot of experience, and a lot of type of designs.
We have a high sense of pride when it comes to delivering the highest quality product out the door to our customers. I think the team and I go home very satisfied with our work, that we've done the best we can to our capabilities to ensure that quality to those customers.
Triad's design capabilities and manufacturing breadth is second to none. We can do a lot of different things for our customers, and we do them well.